The gender pay gap or equal pay is only really one part of the diversity and inclusion jigsaw. You know, in order to have true diversity and inclusion within an organisation, you have to take a triangulated approach, and of which pay is just one aspect of that. So you need to think about how you recruit, whether or not there is something happening within your recruitment process which is preventing you from attracting diverse talent. You need to think about the culture of the organisation and whether or not that is a culture which is promoting an inclusive environment, a respectful environment. You also need to think about the leadership within an organisation and whether or not diversity and inclusion is something which is coming from the top, which is very important, and also being led from the top as well.